Hi, I'm Dr. Peters with Peters Wellness, Chiropractic, and Massage. This week's quick video, I want to discuss a topic out of our Optimal Health University, and that is preventing neck pain. Okay, preventing neck pain. So when we look at neck pain, we can kind of break it down into two areas: acute neck pain, chronic neck pain. Acute neck pain, just like it sounds, a whiplash, a slip and fall, something where you do something to your head and you strain the muscles in your neck and you sprain those areas. So with that can cause intense neck pain, like an auto accident or maybe even a roller coaster ride where you're getting whipped around unexpectedly. And then chronic neck pain, think more something that's lasted more than 3 or 4 weeks, going on months, sometimes for people years, where they maybe had something that was acute, now it's become chronic, and they're sitting at their desk all day, or they're looking down at their cell phone a lot, or they're down looking at an iPad or a laptop versus like a regular monitor where you can have it up high so you're looking here instead of being down here. Especially towards the end of the day, you might get a little eye strain. You've been working for 10, 12 hours and you'll find you're looking for, have a coworker sneak up and snap a picture of you from the side so they can literally really see your posture. Just a nice little thing to do to recognize that, man, maybe my posture isn't as good as I think it is. So with that, this week's Optimal Health talks about how exercise can make such a huge difference for people with neck pain. And keep in mind, people with neck pain typically will have headaches, migraines, and other things associated with it. They'll have maybe numbness and tingling in the hands because of the tightness, maybe a bulging disc or a herniated disc or something like that, facet syndrome, where there's irritation to those vertebral segments, so they're not moving and gliding properly. So I just wanted to teach a few quick, simple exercises. You can do much more advanced. You could use bands and do things like that, but I just want to do it. You're at work, hey, you're going to get up and run to the restroom quick. Let's just do these exercises. Should only take you a couple minutes. Now I'm just going to do sets of 5 to make it easy. We're just going to do this. Now when I do it, I'm not talking about flexing and extending and lateral flexing. I want to talk about translation, where you're bringing straight forward or straight to the side like this, okay, where I'm moving it over. I'm not doing this. That's the difference. So I'm going to start. I'm going to put my hand here against the side of my head, and all I'm going to do is translate my head. Now I'm not laterally flexing it, which is a good exercise too, but translation being more important with what we're doing. So we're going to translate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm pushing hard against my hand. I can go forward, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I like to use both hands on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now notice I'm translating. I'm not going like this. Okay, you can do that also, but I want you to focus on the translation. So moving straight this way, not this way and this way. Okay. The other thing, once you've done those 4, now think of it like north, east, and then north and northeast. So I'm going to put my hand here, not here. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to translate against my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, I'm going at an angle. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. And now what I'd like you to add is a little bit of a shoulder shrug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring those up and let them drop down. Next thing, grab the back edge of your chair, come forward and just do a nice stretch. Nice stretch, just 3-4 seconds, and we're just going to use that to stretch that out. Okay, and if you did that maybe every hour or a couple, 2-3 times a day, whatever schedule, whatever it is, just do it. You should be getting up every 50 minutes and moving around a little bit if you can. So that's this week's video. I hope you enjoy it. Have an awesome week.